In Portsmouth, prosecutors have dropped charges against a mother accused of killing her 2-year-old son because a key witness couldn't testify in time. It's the second murder case to be dropped or dismissed in Portsmouth in the last 2 months. Emily Harrison is in the studio now with a closer look at the reasons why. And Emily, prosecutors say they already plan to bring these charges back?
That's right. If a grand jury agrees with prosecutors to indict Priya Starr again, then it will be the second time Starr has faced second-degree murder for the death of her son, and the third time prosecutors tried to bring this case before a jury.
Priya Starr's son died in her custody back in 2017, but the case has a long back-and-forth history in the legal system. Prosecutors first charged Starr 4 years after the baby died in 2022, after prosecutors say the infant suffered possible shaken baby syndrome. The case went before a judge for the first time in 2023, and it ended in a mistrial after a Portsmouth judge ruled prosecutors violated a key witness's rights. Prosecutors tried again for a second time in 2023 and set a date for November 2nd to go before a jury. However, one witness said they could not make it in time for the new trial date, and when prosecutors asked to delay the trial, a judge said no. Without their key witness, prosecutors decided to drop all charges, releasing a statement saying, quote, "The Portsmouth's Commonwealth's Attorney's Office seeks to present all available evidence and witness testimony in every matter we prosecute. It's not the first time a case has fallen apart in Portsmouth's courthouse."
We have to be very careful to make sure that we are not exposing people to risk and to harm.
Just a month ago, a Portsmouth judge dismissed a first-degree murder case outright after prosecutors submitted a list without an address for their key witness. And it happened again in August this year when a judge dismissed a child abuse case against a former daycare provider because the judge said prosecutors did not follow the rules of discovery. For the mistrial in July in Starr's case, a judge did not mince words, telling prosecutors, quote, "We're not going to try cases like this. Everybody deserves a fair trial, and we're not going to proceed any further."
Now, it's important to note this case is not outright dismissed, meaning prosecutors can bring these charges back if they choose to. And prosecutors say they will ask a grand jury to indict Priya Starr again on November 4th. Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
And we reached out to Starr's attorneys, but we have not heard back.